40 Amazon Travel Essentials for your next adventure. Hey there, fellow travelers. Globe, are you ready to take your adventures to the next level? Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or a dream vacation abroad, having the right essentials can make all the difference. That's why we've put together a list of 40 must-have Amazon travel essentials that will help you pack smarter, stay organized, and make your journey stress-free. From space-saving packing hacks to cutting-edge gadgets, these items are designed to make traveling a breeze. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's explore the ultimate travel checklist for your next adventure. 40 Amazon travel essentials for your next adventure. 1. Compression packing cubes. Maximize your suitcase space and keep everything organized. Price, $29.99. 2. Portable travel steamer. Remove wrinkles from clothes on the go for a polished look. Price, $24.95. 3. Travel adapter with USB ports. Universal compatibility with multiple plugs and USB charging. Price, $19.99. 4. Collapsible water bottle. Lightweight and compact, perfect for staying hydrated. Price, $12.95. 5. Noise-canceling headphones. Enjoy peace and quiet on flights or in busy environments. Price, $79.99. 6. Portable power bank. Keep your devices charged with a high-capacity power bank. Price, $25.99. 7. RFID blocking passport holder. Protect your passport and cards from identity theft. Price, $16.95. 8. Travel-sized toiletry bottles. Leak-proof containers for your shampoo, lotion, and more. Price, $9.99. 9. Lightweight travel blanket. Stay cozy on long flights or chilly evenings. Price, $15.99. 10. Portable luggage scale. Avoid overweight fees by checking your luggage weight beforehand. Price, $11.99. 11. Multi-compartment travel backpack. Keep your travel essentials organized with a durable, stylish backpack. Price, $45.99. 12. Quick dry travel towel. Compact and absorbent, great for beach trips or outdoor adventures. Price, $14.99. 13. Portable first aid kit. Be prepared for minor injuries with this travel-friendly kit. Price, $9.95. 14. Foldable duffel bag. Perfect for souvenirs or extra storage during your trip. Price, $19.99. 15. Travel neck pillow. Ergonomic design for comfort on long journeys. Price, $21.99. 16. Mini travel umbrella. Compact and sturdy, fits easily in your bag. Price, $14.95. 17. Portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Stay connected anywhere with reliable internet access. Price, $89.99. 18. Waterproof phone pouch. Protect your phone during beach trips or rainy adventures. Price, $9.99. 19. Travel laundry bag. Keep dirty clothes separate from clean ones in your suitcase. Price, $8.95. 20. Travel journal. Document your experiences and memories in a stylish journal. Price, $12.99. 21. Travel shoe bags. Keep your shoes separate from your clothes in your suitcase. Price, $12.99. 22. Silicone travel bottles. TSA approved, squeezable bottles for liquids. Price, $13.99. 23. Packable rain jacket. Lightweight and folds into its own pouch for easy storage. Price, $27.95. 24. Portable travel fan. Rechargeable fan for hot climates or stuffy hotel rooms. Price, $18.95. 25. Travel-sized laundry detergent sheets. Convenient for washing clothes on the go. Price, $9.99. 26. Inflatable travel footrest. Add comfort to long flights or road trips. Price, $15.99. 27. Anti-theft crossbody bag. Protect your valuables with a stylish, secure bag. Price, $39.99. 28. Portable espresso maker. Enjoy fresh coffee wherever you are. Price, $49.99. 29. Digital luggage tag. Track your luggage in real time using GPS. Price, $34.95. 30. Compact binoculars. Perfect for sightseeing or nature adventures. Price, $29.95. 31. Reusable utensil set. Eco-friendly, travel-friendly cutlery for meals on the go. Price, $9.95. 32. Travel-sized sewing kit. Fix clothing mishaps with this compact kit. Price, $7.99. 33. Portable clothesline. Air dry your clothes anywhere without a dryer. Price, $8.95. 34. Collapsible camping mug. Compact and durable, great for coffee or tea. Price, $10.95. 35. Travel document organizer. Store your passport, tickets, and other documents in one place. Price, $14.99. 36. Mini flashlight keychain. Compact and handy for nighttime use. Price, $6.95. 37. Solar-powered charger. Keep your devices charged using solar energy. Price, $39.99. 38. Car seat organizer for road trips. Keep your car neat and essentials within reach. Price, $19.95. 39. Travel size folding scissors. TSA approved, handy for cutting tags or opening packages. Price, $8.95. 40. Smart water bottle with temperature display. Insulated bottle with a digital lid to show drink temperature. Price, $24.95. And there you have it, our top 40 Amazon travel essentials to enhance your next adventure. Luggage, whether it's a handy packing cube to save space, a portable power bank to keep you connected, or a travel pillow to ensure your comfort, these items are guaranteed to make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Traveling doesn't have to be stressful. With the right tools, it can be effortless and exciting. Remember, preparation is key to having a memorable journey. So why wait? Start gearing up for your next adventure today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing travel tips and must-have product recommendations. Don't forget to share your favorite travel gadgets in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels and